Bonehill is the kind of indie horror that shows up like, yeah, I'm low budget, but I've got vibes. Built on eerie Native American folklore, the film kicks off when a clueless sheriff squad interrupts a sacred ritual and accidentally drops the supernatural equivalent of a cage match onto their town. Chaos? Absolutely. The story has a killer premise, even if the script doesn't always hit max potential. The Native characters deserve more spotlight, and some of the white guy leads feel like they spawned from a character generator still loading. But the direction brings mood, color, and enough creepy energy to keep you watching. Budget be damned. Effects, quick cuts, smart angles, and the old don't show the monster too long trick. Cast? Mostly solid, with Jones straight up carrying scenes like it's leg day. If you're into folklore, indie grit, and horror with heart, Bonehill is 100% worth the late night watch.